Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you an easy way to eliminate unsightly gaps between any appliance and a countertop. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So about a year ago, I installed this range. What used to be here was a cooktop with some cabinets underneath. I removed the cabinets and put this sucker in, and I had a friend come and cut this quartz countertop on both sides, and it's super ragged, and it's been a real challenge the whole time. But you can see, look how kind of wavy this is. Good big gap here, small gap here, and it kind of goes all the way to the back, and it's just kind of jagged, and it's like this on both sides. And this side is super tight here, but you can see it's just jagged and nasty the whole way, and it's been a challenge for certain people in this house. Not me, of course. And it doesn't even go all the way to the back here. That is still connected. But anyway, there's a super easy way to fix this, and I'm gonna show you the product now. All right, here it is. I have no idea how you pronounce it, but these are gap fillers. And this says here, stainless steel and aluminum, silver made in China. Okay, sure it is, everything is. And this here says, 3/16 stainless steel stove gap covers, stove trim kit, stove to counter filler that won't melt like silicone or corrode away, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so anyway, inside here are a couple of little metal sleeves, and they're angled. You can see this is, when it's installed, this will be on the right side. This flops over onto the countertop, and on the left side, just the opposite is true. This side goes. This side slips down in between the stove and the cabinet or countertop. And then you've got these little wings here that you push out to kind of grip it in place. So as you push it in, there's a little friction and it holds it in place. So this side, I'm sure, is going to be really easy. You know what, I should probably push these out just a little bit, not too much, just to create a little bit of friction. And drop them into place. Okay, so there's some friction there, no doubt. These are 25 inches, and kind of depending on where the cabinet or the countertop guy cut it, how deep they made this overhang, 25 inches may be perfect, it may not be. You can see I have just a little gap right back there that is probably 3/16 or 1/4 inch. So I can either push it all the way back and have a small gap here where it doesn't cover, but I don't like that, so I'm gonna bring this up front, and that's the finished product right there. Now, if I wanna get a lot of friction on there, I'm gonna just take those little wings and bend them out more and more, but honestly, the only time these would ever move is during, you know, maybe cleaning it and whatnot. But that looks a heck of a lot nicer than that jagged thing right there, right? I will certainly put the link in the description below, but that is really pretty slick and very easy to do. All right, there's the finished look. Nice and uniform on both sides. Much better than that jagged hand-cut mess we had. Well, home repair doesn't get much easier than that. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.